Hello guys, and welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna do affiliate marketing with Digistore or Amazon or ClickBank. I'm gonna show you two of them, and ClickBanks I will probably not, but ClickBank will be something like the same thing like Digistore and Amazon. So I want to show you a quick thing. I did a new account for you guys on Digistore. You make an account on Digistore. If you just search on Digistore here, I'm gonna do it for you guys to watch. Digistore 24 store. Then you just register now up here. Then you will come to here and you go to marketplace. All offers on the affiliate marketplace, not edit my offers affiliate or my offers, all offers. And here you can see a lot of different products that you can promote. Here we got some keto meal plan, 85% commission, $22 you get from every commission you get. Here you get 127, but it's gonna be much harder to get customers to this one. One of my favorite is fitness and health. That's what I use a lot on when I do affiliate marketing with Digistore 24. And what I promote is like keto cookbook. A cookbook for people who want to lose weight. The ultimate keto meal plan. So, things like that. You just get $22 if you get the customer of it. And now, guys, I'm gonna show you a free method that you can do with Digistore 24 or Amazon for free. You don't need to waste any money of this. And what you need to do is to search on Facebook. Go into groups. This is Swedish, but groups. And then you want to search like something like weight loss. I have joined a lot of weight loss groups already, but I will show you still. Weight loss, maybe weight loss, something like that. And here you can join a lot of different weight loss groups. And what you can do, I tried many different things in here. We go into bodybuilding weight loss, 312,000 people in here. Don't try to put a link or something like this right here, because the group will ban you. If you really want to make money, you need to have patience. And how to do this is to go to the people in this group. This is the point of it. And you just can click on the friend and add them as a friend easily. And after you've done that, you will wait like you 1 week, become a little bit friends with them, and yeah, you understand what I mean. And then you can write something like this: hey, I want to show you a great keto meal plan that I used when I was going down like 20 kilograms, and it worked perfectly for me. You just need to go down on this link and you will find it directly. Understand? Good. Because if you do that on many different people, you can make around probably like $100 a week extra. So $400 extra a month on affiliate marketing, and that's easy money, guys. And for you young people like me, I'm 17, but for you people like 14, 15, 16, and also 17, 18, that can be much for a month and easy money to invest or save for your future. And now I'm gonna do how you do affiliate marketing with Amazon. So what you search when you want to do affiliate marketing with Amazon is Amazon associates. What you do now is, as you go click on here, sign up I will probably sign in. I'll fix this. Yeah, I will just log in. So now it's login for me. What I do now when I log in, you create an account. You will go to Amazon with the login to do this. Wait, chill out. I will log in. Now I can show you guys. Yeah, now I can show you. What you see now is this thing. The only thing I need to do now is go up to here on the right of the site stripe, text, copy this link. This is the link you will use, and you can go into anything and just do the same thing I did. And when people go through your link and buy that thing, you get a commission. But it's not that high as Digistore. That's why I recommend Digistore more. But it will be easier to get sales if you affiliate from Amazon. Because Amazon products more people want, if you understand. But another thing that is great with Amazon, that if they click through your link to buy that thing, you also get a commission if they buy other things than your product. So if they just go through your link to Amazon and buy a lot of things, you get commission for every product they buy. That's why Amazon is so good. So now guys, I show you a free method to how to do this and where to do your affiliate marketing and like to store 24 and Amazon. And I want to actually show you one more thing that you can do for a free method for your affiliate marketing that can be kind of easy. Thank you. Now I can show you guys how to do this. What you need to do is just to search something like this here to buy. Buy. Here is a guy or a girl, I don't know, who did showed us a product right here. Where to buy this beer pendant necklace. I need it. The only thing you need to do is try to find this fast on Amazon, and when you've done that, people have already done it. And after you've done it, you just write something like this: hey, this is where from from where I bought it, and it looks so cool on me. And then you just send them the link to Amazon, and that's another free method to how to do this. So now we have go through the whole affiliate marketing things for you guys. So thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.